So when I put forth the question, this is how do we generate amps? And somebody suggested that thicker wire would allow for more current. And that's true, but that's in a drive circuit. See, right here we got 1 millimeter wire. It's thick, it's pretty durable and sturdy. It's thick wire. And it's not generating any amps. The average amps that it's out of 10 amps, the average ampere output is minus 0.01. And like if we go to smaller readings, yeah, 200 milliamps, there's milliamps going on, and that's okay. There's an equal amount of negative milliamps that there is positive milliamps. So it's actually more negative than there is positive. But I see that with this, we're going to let it go because I think as it gets slower, the amp reading gets more stable. So I don't know if that's true or not. It looked true. And it looks like almost like every magnet has a different amp output. Alright, so I'm going to test the amp output of the drive circuit. That was just for this one coil here, so I'm going to red, black, alright, so alright, there might be too much, not enough, there might be too much enamel on the wire to put a third. Oh wow, it's more negative, so I might have them put on the wrong way. -3. Alright, so we got something going on here. 0.03. That's awesome. Thank you very much.